Now when you hear the trumpet, can you shout? We are close to the airport. Let them hear from the airport, from MM2 and MM1. Are you ready?
That he will sound that shofar 7 prophetic times. Now listen, please. Can you get his mic or please very quickly for him? By the time he sounds it 7 times, we're going to begin to pray just for 2 or 3 minutes. Everything that must scatter from your life, every planting, you came for a miracle service, please be intentional about your portion. Hallelujah. And then I'll begin to minister to you by the Spirit of God that everything that is not of God, it must go. 7 serious prophetic sounding of the shofar. Listen, it is a resurrection shofar. This sound is going beyond your ears. It's going to everything that is dead in your life. Dead kidneys, dead situations, dead finances. You believe that? 7 prophetic shofars. Businesses that have been dead, body parts. Yes, sir. Let your faith connect. Now get ready. After the 7th shofar, you are going to begin to pray. Lift your voice and begin to pray. Lift your voice and begin to pray. Every Egyptian, lift your voice and pray. God is a miracle worker. Miracles are happening in this place. Are you praying? Don't be tired, we're praying. Doors are opening by the Spirit of the living God.